Throughout the world, forests are in danger. Many plants and animals that live in these forests are disappearing fast. Many people and cultures that depend on forests for their way of life are also under threat. Only 20% of the world's ancient forests are left. A forest of the size of a football field disappears every 2 seconds. The Forest Conservation Act was enacted by the Indian Parliament in 1980. According to its rules, the indiscriminate cutting of trees in forests is a punishable offense. Many areas in India have been converted into national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect the forest cover and the animals that live in the forests. A national park is a reserved land, usually declared and owned by the national government. It is protected from most human developments and pollution. A sanctuary is also a reserved area in which birds and animals are protected from hunting. A national park differs from a sanctuary in that no human activity is allowed inside the former, while limited activities are permitted within the latter. National parks receive more financial support from the central government. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is probably the only place in the world where the Asiatic lion is protected so that it can live in its natural surroundings. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. It is famous as a refuge for migratory birds like Siberian crane, barons, ibis, pelican, and painted stork. These and many other migratory birds make it their temporary home during very sensitive winter months. Some other national parks in the Himalayan foothill are the Corbett National Park and the Dudhwa National Park. These provide an unforgettable wildlife experience. A number of organizations are spreading awareness about the importance of forests and trees through printed as well as electronic media. We all can also contribute toward forest conservation by minimizing the use of wood and wood products, by not using products that promote destruction of forests. Many people buy fur obtained from animals, ornaments made of elephant tusks. This should not be done as it leads to killing of wild animals. By celebrating the growth of plants as a festival and involving more and more people in this activity. This festival is celebrated in many parts of India as Van Mahotsav. Forests are Earth's air purifiers. They are often referred to as the Earth's lungs. Just as our lungs absorb carbon dioxide from the blood and infuse it with oxygen, green plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and in return release oxygen in the atmosphere.